Hey Cliff, this is Dakota here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet in Greensboro, Georgia. Just want to make a quick video of that Silverado for you. There she is, beautiful white truck. Very clean, well taken care of. Just do a quick walk around for you. Does come with a rolling lock bed cover. Comes with the step bars. Super low mileage truck for a 2012. As you can see here, it's only got right under 27,000 miles. Beautiful leather seats, well maintained. Spacious back seat as well for kids or animals or whatever you choose. Just another view into the cockpit there. Overall beautiful truck. Just let me know what you think. Again, this is Dakota Hayden here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet in Greensboro, Georgia. You can reach us at 706-453-2500.